Good day guys, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the Turtle Wax's new Hybrid Solutions Pro all-wheel cleaner and iron remover. So we are going to be taking a look at this product. As I mentioned, this is a new product from Turtle Wax. Very excited to get to using this. Their Hybrid Solutions line, they have been killing the game with their Hybrid Solutions line, not only with how great the chemicals perform, but with the price point that they're at and the bang for your buck that you're getting with the Turtle Wax's Hybrid Solutions lineup products. They're just absolutely phenomenal. If you have not tried any of them, I would highly recommend picking one up, trying it out. You're not going to be disappointed. Real quick, before we get further into this video, I want to thank you all so much for stopping in, taking the time out of your day to check out this video. It means so much to me. Thank you guys so much for all your support. Also, remember, while you're here, smash that thumbs up and also drop a comment down below. But if you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. Click the bell, turn on all post notifications so you don't miss a future upload if you're enjoying this type of content. So real quick, I'm just going to go over what Turtle Wax has to say about this product. So this is a fast-acting, acid-free, color-changing formula, safely emulsifies contaminants, brake dust, and iron particles on wheels and paint surfaces. Scent Lock Neutralizer blocks unpleasant odor. All Wheel Cleaner plus Iron Remover delivers the most powerful performance that is safe for all wheels and painted surfaces. It quickly removes iron-based contaminants and industrial fallout, while also dissolving below surface contaminants such as rail dust and iron oxides. This deep cleaning formula turns purple as it gently loosens stubborn contaminants and road grime. The Rapid-Decon technology combined with the Scent Lock neutralization gives you both professional and auto enthusiast an amazing experience and faster results. Directions for this product: shake well, begin with a cool dry surface when applying to your wheels. If wheels are hot to the touch, you will need to pre-rinse. For use on painted surfaces, wash and towel dry first. Do not use in direct sunlight. Application options. For wheel cleaning, spray enough product to thoroughly cover the entire wheel. Let product dwell on the surface for 2 to 4 minutes. Color changing indicates the dissolving of brake dust and iron oxide. Do not allow product to dry. Spray with a powerful stream of water and towel dry. Note, for heavy brake dust contaminants and neglected wheels, agitation may be required. For paint decontamination, wash and dry vehicle. Mist product over the vehicle's paint, allowing the product to dwell for 2 to 4 minutes. Color changing indicates the dissolving of embedded contaminants. Do not allow product to dry. Spray with a powerful stream of water and towel dry. Note, for heavy contamination on neglected paint, agitation may be required. So that is what they have to say about their new all-wheel cleaner and iron remover. So let's get out, start using this, see if they are able to do the scent lock as they said, because iron removers just reek. So let's see if they're able to cover that up. So bringing you guys in for a closer look, as you can see, it is attacking and dissolving all these iron particles. It has a nice color changing formula, and as they mentioned, it does not have that horrible, horrendous iron smell that iron removers are just absolutely noted for. So it does actually smell very well. I am very pleased. I am happy with that. So this wheel here, as you saw, I rinsed it. The other side I will not rinse. I'm going to come in, use some agitation on this wheel. The other wheel, we will just spray it on, let it dwell, rinse it off. So we can see the differences with agitation and without, with pre-rinsing and without pre-rinsing. So as you can see, the wheel is still wet. I'm going to let it air dry, but it has done a fantastic job of cleaning. This is a great wheel cleaner. I'm very impressed with agitation. It had nice foaming characteristics. It was breaking down that iron. It did it very quick, very effective. So overall, very impressed. Now let's see what it'll do to a side that we don't pre-rinse and we don't use any agitation. We just spray it on, let it do its thing, and rinse it off. So as you can see on this wheel, this is without doing a pre-rinse. It is attacking all of those iron particles, which is just absolutely everywhere on this wheel. It is getting that very nice bleeding effect. So this product is working very well. It is getting in there. It is breaking down that iron and just removing it. I'm going to hit a few other spots so it doesn't dry up, and then we'll come in for the rinse to see how well that does. Alright, so as you can see, yes, the wheel's still wet, but on a touch-free wash, that stuff worked better than I expected. Yes, agitation is always key for getting a super clean surface, but for a touch-free, I cannot believe how well this has worked. I'm going to go ahead and let it dry here. Once it dries, I'll bring you guys back in so we can see how much it removed, if it left anything behind, while I get the other wheels cleaned up. So starting over here on the passenger side, this is the wheel that we cleaned. We used agitation. As you can tell, it's extremely clean. This wheel looks awesome. It is all dried now. You can tell it has turned out really well. It's got all the nooks and crannies. It got down in the barrels of the wheel. It has the wheel looking really, really good. Let's hop over to the driver's side where we didn't use any agitation, and let's see if we can pick anything up within the spokes or anything there and see how well it cleaned. So now we're over here on the driver's side. This is the wheel that we didn't use any agitation on whatsoever. This wheel, we just sprayed it on, let it sit, and then rinsed it off. As you can tell, this stuff has done an absolutely amazing job for being touchless. There's a few spots that I can see. Well, actually, maybe not. Okay, I can see right here is some residue. That's my fault. But I am trying to wipe anywhere on this wheel, and I am not getting anything off of it. If I had to say anything, down in the barrels, you can see, yeah, you can see a swipe right there that I did. So the barrels always get disgusting. The face of this wheel, it is cleaned really well, and it has also cleaned the barrels really, really well. I'm blown away. I keep wiping this wheel like almost everywhere because there has to be somewhere there is still some grime and some brake dust. You saw how this wheel just bled. It was pulling all the contaminants out. It was cleaning it. So you would think there'd be something left behind. And honestly, I can't find anywhere that is horrible. You could come back and hit this and do some agitation if you want, or you could leave it just like this. I am blown away with this wheel over here with no agitation, because products always work great with agitation because, as you know, agitation is what you need. But this wheel is, it's got me speechless right now because, yeah, I don't have much to say. If you're looking for a touch-free wheel cleaner, this one is the only one that I've seen do this good of a job, so I highly, highly recommend it if you're looking for a touch-free wheel cleaner. But overall, very, very impressed with both of the wheels on both sides. It has done such a great job cleaning them. Let me get everything cleaned up. I'll bring you in for a final walk around on the wheels, but as you can see, they look absolutely awesome. And this wheel has me speechless, so that is a good thing. Alright, so in the beginning of the video, I was showing using this as an iron remover on the paint. On the back here, we're just going to go ahead and spray it on because we're going to have a lot of iron buildup on the back of a vehicle. That's normally where you'll see quite a bit of it. Behind the wheels, you will also see quite a bit. Depending what it's been in is where you're going to see a lot of the iron at. This, you can see it turning that nice reddish purple color very quickly, very effectively. So it is already attacking that iron that is stuck onto the surface. So we'll just let it sit here and dwell for a little bit. We'll come back in, we'll take a look to see exactly how much iron is on the back of this vehicle. So coming back in just after a couple minutes of dwell time, you can see that it is attacking all this iron very fast and very effective in breaking it down. There is definitely a lot back here. So this product is very, very easy to use. You just spray it on, let it dwell, rinse it off. So for a multi-purpose product of a total wheel cleaner and an iron remover for paint, this product is a huge win. Okay, so for the Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions all-wheel cleaner and iron remover, this product personally, for the price, is absolutely awesome. Like I said, it left me speechless on the wheel without doing any contact wash on it, not even rinsing it, just spraying it on, letting it dwell, rinsing it off. How well it cleaned that wheel. You throw a little agitation in there, the barrels come out perfectly clean, wheels look fantastic. If you're using this on paint for an iron remover before you're going to go on to clay barring, polishing, whatever you're going to be doing for either a paint correction or paint enhancement, this product works extremely easy for that as well too. It's just a very simple spray on, let it dwell, rinse off, and it eats up that iron and removes it off of the paint very, very easily. So all in all, with this new product from Turtle Wax, they definitely smashed this one right out of the park. This is a definite 2 thumbs up product. I absolutely love it. And as I mentioned, for the price, availability, you can get this stuff basically anywhere. And it is a very, very cost-effective product. So all in all, I absolutely love this. Turtle Wax is killing the game with their Hybrid Solutions lineup and all of their new products they're coming out with. And like I mentioned, if you have not tried any of their Hybrid Solutions product lineup or some of their new products they've come out with, I highly, highly recommend going out, picking one up, picking some up, picking all of them up, whatever you want to pick up. Definitely trying them out because for the price, you cannot beat them, and the performance that you get out of them is next level. But I want to thank you all so much for stopping in, checking out this video. Remember, smash that thumbs up. It definitely helps the video out. Also, drop a comment down below of what you thought of the video, what you thought of this product from Turtle Wax. I look forward to hearing what you guys' thoughts are. Also, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. Click the bell, turn on all post notifications so you don't miss a future upload. And once again, thank you all so much for all of your support. It's greatly appreciated on the channel. But I will catch you all in the next one. Until then, take care.